Hi guys, this is Radhika here from Mic Drop Mom. Super excited to have another session of candid conversations with all of you. Today is Mental Health Day, and I thought that today is the best topic to discuss and have an insightful session as why counseling is important. A couple of days back, I got a very interesting question asking me that how do you understand that one needs counseling? At that point, I just wanted to help that individual out. And I got her in touch with Saroj Agarwal. Now, Mrs. Saroj Agarwal, as a lot of you know, is a mental health practitioner, a psychological counselor, and a motivational speaker. She has a platform called Safe Space, where people can come and talk about their problems. This initiative helps them to understand that they are not alone, gives them a power to deal with their problems. She also has an Instagram and Facebook page called Man Ki Baat. So I'm so happy to invite her for our conversation. Saroji, are you there?
Hi, Radhika.
Hi, how are you?
I'm very fine. How are you?
I'm good. I'm so happy that today on Mental Health Day, we are doing this conversation.
Absolutely. And it is something which is of necessity in today's world.
True.
So, absolute necessity. Yes.
I'm so happy you're here.
Thank you so much. I'm so happy that you are taking so much of pain to bring in this awareness. I'm very happy about that.
Saroji, I feel that, you are in that position to help a lot of people.
And I myself think so, but I feel that there is a stigma in our society,
right,
which still does not allow people to come in for counseling, and they know in their hearts that they do need. So the main aim of me and my company and my page, that is Man Ki Baat, A Journey Within, is to allow people to experience the counseling on a free basis.
True.
So this is a voluntary platform where people can come in and avail this facility. And it is totally confidential.
Wow. So Saroji, what exactly is counseling?
See, we all have a life to live. Everybody knows that. We all have a purpose. Most of us, we do strive for peace and happiness, to have a wonderful life, a good family, a good social circle. But हम लोग हर बार कहीं ना कहीं जाके अटक जाते हैं. We get stuck up somewhere in our lives. We are confused emotionally. We are not well physically. Mentally, we are always lacking something in our life, right? And most of the people are, of course, muddled up. In the pursuit of happiness, they are still muddled up. So what we counselors do, we just put their pieces of their life as in a jigsaw puzzle, which is muddled, into a correct picture and show them that picture. So this is how your life looks. So that becomes a self-resonating, self-explorative journey for them, and then they understand why, when, how, where, and the questions could continue. वो लोग वहाँ stuck up क्यों हैं?
Right.
So that is how a counselor then helps them. उलझी हुई ऊन होती है अलग अलग कलर की, तो उसको हम लोग अलग अलग कलर को सुलझा देते हैं. So then the person can actually follow their hearts where they want to be in their life. And थोड़ा coping up strategy हो जाता है. We also psychoeducate our clients in our counseling sessions so that they can cope up with their difficult life circumstances in a much better way.
Right. So how useful it is? अगर किसी को problem हो रही है और वो आपके पास आ रहा है, so how useful it is to that individual?
See, counseling is always client centered. So it is totally controlled by the client.
Right.
अगर एक बंदा आपके पास आता है, वो बहुत उलझा हुआ है, and आप उसको बहुत तरीके से वो पिक्चर दिखाते हो कि वो उलझा हुआ है और उसको सुलझने की जरूरत है. लेकिन if he doesn't work on himself, how does it work? It will not work. So the person himself has to have the courage, the strength, and the willingness to work on himself. And believe me, it is a very tough job. हम लोग बहुत जल्दी दूसरों की गलतियां आईने में देख लेते हैं. जब लेकिन हम खुद आईना देखते हैं तो हम लोगों को आईना धुंधला कभी नहीं दिखता है. कभी नहीं दिखता. So a self exploration, it's a wonderful thing, and it is a very difficult for a person to understand what he is facing and why he is facing and उसके लिए हमको क्या करना है,
Hmm.
वो क्यों हो रहा है, कैसे हो रहा है, वो समझ जाएगा. लेकिन जब कुछ करना है खुद के लिए, to work on himself,
Right.
is so difficult. Then the people say कि छोड़ो ना, जैसा चल रहा है चलने दो.
Chalne. Right.
So unless and until a person doesn't work for himself,
right.
it will never work. Counseling is absolutely necessary. So when you feel you need counseling,
right.
When you feel you need counseling, you have to come with that state of mind that yes, I have to do something about the things that I want to improve in my life.
बिल्कुल. So abhi during this pandemic, why you think that suddenly counseling has become a necessity? Mental health has become a priority.
Right. Yes. It has absolutely become a priority. Pehle bhi tha priority, but right now, due to this pandemic, people have become more aware of it. There are two reasons for it. See, first of all, the life has changed drastically for everybody. पहले घर में लोग अगर 4-6-8 घंटे रहते तो अब घर में 24 घंटे रहते हैं. With the same family members, you don't have out to go, you don't have your circumstances to change, you've got limited resources at home, which you are not used to in your life.
Correct.
Right? So that is pulling them into the dearth of depression.
Right.
That is just making them uncomfortable to change the circumstances that they were living in, to change the ambience of their lives, to change the environment of their lives. And it is putting a pressure on them. Some of them have lost their job. Monthly income बहुत लोगों की कम हो गई है. जो well blessed है, they have good house to live in, they've got their AC working on, they've got their food, they've got their people together, family together, but many of them are still not happy because family के साथ रहने की आदत नहीं है. 24 घंटे husband को झेलना और बीवी को झेलना is also a tough job. Most of the people do have started feeling that yes, life is, there was some internet issue, I suppose.
Yeah. So Saroji, how can someone understand that they need counseling? See, if they are feeling low, there are many ways in which a person can understand that they need counseling. First of all, if they're not happy, and if they feel that they're missing something in their lives, if they feel that they're feeling low, and they are socially awkward, they don't they're not actively social, they don't like to go to parties, they don't they become very conscious if some unknown guests come to their place, if they have faced a loss and are not being able to cope up with it, any life circumstances which is very difficult for them to cope up, the list could go on and on. And the gist of this is that if a person is not feeling happy in spite of him want to feel happy, he needs to come to counseling. And iske baad dekho, the details are always there, the mental disorders, the depressions and the anxieties and the panic attacks, the OCDs, the PTSD, the list is it's a huge list. It's a huge
yes. But the main basic reason to understand for a common layman that he needs counseling is if he is not feeling happy and feeling low all the time.
Right.
See, mood disorders are okay. 15 दिन तक आपका order रहा, आप कभी खुश हो, कभी sad हो, कभी गुस्सा आ रहा है. All this is acceptable. But if this continues for more than 15 days, please consult the counselor.
Okay. Saroji, how can someone open up?
That is my duty.
That is your duty. What if that someone feels that coming to a counselor, लोग judge करेंगे, people become judgmental. Why are they going to a counselor?
See, that is the stigma in our society now. That is why people don't openly come to counselors.
Right.
But अगर कोई counselor के पास आता है, and only if the counselor and the client knows that he has come to the counselor, how will people judge?
Correct.
The counselor has got an ethic. They will never speak of the client's name. They will never contact the client's parents or the family members or his friends, and will not divulge any information about him without his consent. And secondly, if they feel that that person is going to harm himself or somebody else, they will not take up. So who is going to open the mouth? The person himself. तो अगर वो नहीं बताएगा तो how are people going to know that he is going to a counselor?
Right. बिल्कुल.
So that this stigma needs to be broken.
Right.
We have to make it aware that mental health is a priority, and if your mental health is healthy, your
Right.
physical will also be very healthy.
So then how does one understand that, the counseling is working? Someone is coming to you on a regular basis. How that one particular person understands that, yes, counseling is working for them?
See, when a person comes to us and comes to us continuously, and he is working on himself for improvement of whatever goal that he has set with his counselor, there will be changes in his physical and mental attitude.
Right.
He himself will understand it, and even the others around him, his parents, his family, or the close circle will, of course, be able to know that change. Because he will, once he is happy, his face will change, his expressions will change, his attitude will change. Even he will understand that yes, he's sleeping properly, he's eating properly. So all these symptoms will make him understand that it's working. And कोई ना कोई आसपास वाला तो बोलेगा यार तू तो बड़ा चेंज हो गया.
Right.
Right. So it does work that way.
So Sarojji, how are people dealing? अभी आप जो काउंसलिंग कर रहे हो ये पैंडेमिक में, how are they dealing with their problems if this pandemic is going to continue for a year or so? That's what we are hearing. How are people dealing and what they should be doing?
See, the main funda about this pandemic is it's not going to go anywhere. It is here to stay, and we have to learn to live with it. So a person, whoever is facing any dilemma about it, they must understand there are only 3 ways to save themselves from this pandemic: sanitizers, mask, and safe distance. अगर आप ये 3 security maintain करके भी, if you are moving around in the society, going to shopping or going to a friend's place, you will be safe. And with the mindset कि अगर आ गया तो हम लोग face करेंगे. Because nobody can stop it if corona is bound to come to your place.
Absolutely.
Right? But the fear of this, I've got so many clients who come and told me that मेरे बगल के घर में कोरोना हो गया इसलिए मैंने अपना घर छोड़ के अपने cousin के घर पे हूँ. So that fear, and that fear is making that person lose everything: mind, appetite, sleep. So that person is not well. But when I made them realize this, it is here to stay. And with these 3 precautions, you can live your life quite comfortably. So after a lot of questioning, after a lot of sessions, she has now been able to face that pandemic a little better. And see, it again it comes to the client कि वो कितना अपना डर निकालना चाहते हैं
बिल्कुल
इस पैंडेमिक को लेकर. अगर आप सेशंस के बाद and understanding the facts of corona, understanding the facts of pandemic, yet you are not able to face that, and with the skills that we teach in our counseling sessions, the way we psychoeducate you, even if you're not trying to even if you're not trying to cope up with it, you will never get over it.
True.
So you have to see, you cannot jump this river to cross the river, you have to swim through it.
Absolutely.
So you have to take small strokes, right? तो अपनी लाइफ में अगर हम छोटे गोल्स बनाते हैं कि ठीक है आज मैं मास्क पहन के एटलीस्ट अपने कॉम्प्लेक्स के कंपाउंड में घूम के आती हूँ, so that way your fear will get up. Now I'm not saying you mask पहन के if you're so fearful go shopping, no, but at least you can put on a mask and go for a 10-minute walk in your compound. So that little bit of fear will of course go away, and then you can increase it by 5 minutes every day.
बिल्कुल.
Small steps, baby steps लेने से you will absolutely get over with it and start living with it.
Right. Sarojji's mission is to spread the benefits of counseling and ask all to reach out for help if they need. Her platform, Safe Space, and Mann Ki Baat are there on Instagram and Facebook. Please, if you know someone who is in need of counseling, please do refer her. Talking about mental health can give you freedom to seek help. Find people who you can relate and move forward towards well-being. Happiness is when you feel good about yourself without feeling the need for anyone else's approval. Saroji, thank you so much for taking out time and discussing such important topics today with us.
Thank you, Radhika, for giving me this chance to be on Mic Drop Mom. And I know your platform is doing, your blogging is doing wonderful, and I follow it every day. And you've pushed me to do this, and I'm very thankful for you. And absolutely, keep following me, and I'll keep following you.
Absolutely. Guys,
Chalo, see.
nurture, heal, and move forward. I hope this session has somewhere helped you in some way. Please get in touch with Mrs. Saroj Agarwal. I will be giving all her details in the blog. Thank you, Saroji. And it's an honor to have this conversation with you.
And it's my honor to be here on your platform. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Saroji.